Hey all, Matt with Bobcat Bonsai here, and today we're going to do yet another unboxing of a new little tree that I just ordered in from Brussels Bonsai. I'm excited to check it out. It is a it's a 5 to 7 year old miniature jade tree. So I'm interested to see what this is going to look like, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's just get this package opened up here. And as always, lots of packing peanuts. How me and Candace were talking about in her comment section during one of her videos, and it makes it so hard to hide that you got a new tree when it comes with all these packing peanuts. Alrighty, so here's the little tree. Let me get all these peanuts off and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so what do we get in this little box? We got a little indoor bonsai manual. We have a little jade tree, which we'll get this plastic off here in a second. But first I want to say, these peanuts were not just randomly poured inside here. Somebody actually took time and placed them in between a lot of these branches, because there is no way, with how careful I had to be pulling them out, that they just randomly ended up in that spot. So props to whoever took the time to place those inside each one of these branches. Now I'm just gonna cut through here. I guess if I would have looked harder, I could have found the end of it. But I did not look as hard as what I should have. Alright. So, look at this. They even sent me some free moss. That's some nice little stuff right there. All in all, this soil is like super moist, so with it being a jade, I am not going to add any water or anything to this little guy. It's a super neat little tree though. Super awesome. I've been wanting a jade that already has developed this nice bark on it all through the branches and everything, because all mine have just been like super green, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong or what's going on. Maybe that's just all new growth that somebody just did a cutting this year, and that's why it's all super green, kind of like how these are right here. But mine are about as thick as this branch right here, but it's still green. It's not fading to any color yet. So one of the reasons I really wanted one of these guys was because I wanted to be able to have one that had the nice dark branches on it already. So there's just a couple little dead leaves in here, and that's fine. Plenty of them would end up dying anyway in the process of me working on this. And all of them are back by the trunk, so they're all places that I would have ended up having to cut them off. So all this did was make my life super easy, because I'm just reaching in and knocking them off with my finger instead. So this is it. This is my little jade bonsai that I just got in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, I'd ask that you subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified every time I release a new video, hit the bell notification. If you find a video that you like and would like to share it with your friends, that would be awesome, because that would help me out. Sorry, I just got distracted because I found a little one that started sprouting roots down inside here, so I'm gonna just let that in there and see if it ends up growing its own little tree off of this little cutting that they did on it. That would be pretty awesome as well. So okay, so thanks for watching.